In this video, we'll discuss the best practices for extending thermocouple wires, an important process that, if done incorrectly, can significantly impact the accuracy of your temperature measurements. Step 1. Use the correct extension wire. Always use thermocouple extension wire that matches the type of thermocouple in use, whether it's type K, J, T, or any other. These wires are made from specific thermoelectric alloys that must match the sensor to ensure signal integrity. Using regular copper wire is not acceptable. It introduces unintended thermoelectric junctions, which can lead to measurement errors and unreliable performance. Step 2. Observe proper polarity. Thermocouple circuits are polarity sensitive. Each conductor, positive and negative, is made from a different metal, and reversing them will lead to inaccurate readings. Color-coded insulation can assist with identification. For example, in the US standard, type K thermocouples typically use yellow for the positive lead and red for the negative. Step 3. Ensure clean and secure connections. Poor connections can introduce electrical noise or unwanted resistance, degrading measurement accuracy. Use connectors or terminal blocks rated specifically for thermocouple use. Avoid soldering thermocouple wires. Solder can introduce new junctions or material mismatches. Instead, use screw terminals or crimp connectors designed for thermocouple-grade materials. By following these best practices, you'll help ensure the accuracy, reliability, and long-term stability of your thermocouple measurement system. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe and click the bell to turn on notifications so you never miss an update. For additional pricing and technical questions, visit us at hgsind.com. Harold G. Schaevitz Industries. Performance and reliability is our business.